What's up, guys? Welcome to today's episode, and we're going to be talking about how to hide games from friends. First of all, we need to check if our controller is connected. We see the blue light, we see it's connected. Now we want to navigate to settings at the top right. In settings, we're going to go to user accounts, then we're going to go to privacy. Now in privacy, we want to view and customize our privacy settings, and we're going to scroll down to the point where it says hide your games from other players. Now we're going to click there, and we're going to choose the games that we want to hide from other players. So once you choose the game and you go back, you go to you press the PS button, you go to your profile. Now you can check and see that the progress on the particular game that you've hidden will not be displayed to your friends anymore. The previous data will be there, but from the point that you toggle it on, it's going to be hidden from other people. Now, until the next video, see ya!